Dear learner, welcome again. So, we were in module 8 and we were understanding about the alternate media. So far we know that the alternate media is something which is non-conventional, non-traditional, it is unthinkable method to promote the product. Okay. How it is unconventional, we have taken some of the example in the earlier session that the traditional marketing emphasizes towards the platforms like the advertisement, the PR activities, the sales promotion, personal selling, which are done by every marketer. Okay. Now, it is a era where you have to reposition yourself. Okay, it is not like just like you are communicating the product idea and all. You have to like reclaim the position, which cannot be done alone by the traditional marketers. So, the marketers are using a very creative approach. Okay, so, this can lead towards a long lasting memory or long lasting impact on the consumer perceptions. Okay. We have taken several examples and today's lecture is going to be very interesting because we will be highlighting the different types of the alternate media. What are the different alternate advertisements which can be used by the marketers. Okay. So, let us try to understand. Alternate media cannot deliver the message alone, it needs cross promotion as well. Okay, like you cannot completely rely on to the alternate media. It is in combination that the alternate media as well as the traditional media, they have to like come together for more impact or more rigorous impact onto the behavior of the consumers. Okay. So, it can combine or it can like they have to play a role together to combine the visuals, the logo, the slogans and the characters to reinforce the brand image. Right, like we will be discussing some of the examples for that. It can be interactive, engaging and experiential. Okay. So, these forms should be there in an alternate media, then it can uses the power of the traditional media and ultimately can be more impactful. Alright. The type of the selection depends on the campaign goal, whether the campaign goal is towards awareness, engagement or the reminder. So, let us try to understand these concepts with some examples. One of the method of alternate media is the product placement. The product placement is like placing your products in some popular television, movie or any kind of the series which are very popular. Okay. So, this can lead towards more reach, more engagement and ultimately exposure of ad will be higher. Like one of the concept is product placement. So, it is when a brand logo is seen, talked about or used in a movie or television show, it is known as the product placement. The purpose is to build brand recall, awareness and image of the brand. Like we have taken an example of a movie. Okay. So, I hope that everyone have seen this movie and the character Babu Bhaiya. Now, this character uses or purchase Domino's pizza. So, the product placement is like in the movie it has been shown that the brand appears into the movie. Now, it get recognition. Alright, the brand get recognition when the movie is popular. Now, how these things works, like the brand Okay, here the brand is Domino's Pizza. So they are paying huge amount of money to the promoters. Okay, so the sponsor, the movie, the filmmaker, they are showing the ad of the brand, and in exchange the ad, the marketers are paying to the filmmakers. Okay. So it is a subtle product placement, reaches a captive audience and ties the product used to character's image. Okay, we have several examples for that. Okay, like in a movie like the popular movie uh, James Bond series, if you have seen. Okay, like James Bond used to uh, drive the Aston Martin car. Okay, so it is shown in the movie. He used to drink uh, Heineken beer. Okay, or use a specific product. So this is all about the product placement, and the company pay, and brand value goes up. A brand that does not fit seamlessly will negatively impact its image and receive negative word of mouth. Okay, many times we have seen that the association of the brand with the celebrity, it has negative impact on the brand itself. Okay, like we can take the example of Snapdeal. Amir Khan. Amir Khan was the brand endorser of the Snapdeal. Okay, now he speaks something about he is feeling unsafe in India, and this lead to the debate and spark, and it created a controversy, and ultimately the brand which is associated to the Amir Khan, that is Snapdeal, it got also criticized, and the value of the brand goes down. So it has a ripple effect as well. Okay, so like when the product placement as a strategy are used, so it can goes both ways. So the strategy is that you have to use it very efficiently, effectively, calculating the pros and cons of all the possibilities. Okay. Now discussing about the another thing, that is the types of the alternate media advertisement. This is just reference, but there are so many types. Okay, I try to collect the different sources, and at the same time I try to give you some examples for that as well. Like very first thing is pump top TV. It is a petrol pump top TV. You can see the example. Okay, like this is a petrol pump. This is the television, small display which is there. Now all the focus of the consumers, okay, or the people will be towards this. Okay, like how much petrol have been fueled, what is the current price of the fuel. Now at the same time, this can lead to the attention of the consumers. Okay, so it is something which is not different. Okay, you have seen this ad in the on the television or the newspaper, but at the same time using this as a space to promote the product can very creative, and the attention will be higher because you cannot skip that. Okay, like if suppose this ad is placed as outdoor ad, in an outdoor, it may be that you have viewed the ad, or may you have not viewed that, but the moment you are at the petrol pump fueling your car or your vehicle, possibility is high that you will be getting the attention of this ad. Okay, so it is a type of pump top TV. Okay, ATMs. We have some examples of the ATM as well, this one. Okay, so the moment you enter the ATM, okay, ATM space or ATM room, before you are putting in the card, okay, you will see that in the display there will be some kind of ad which will be running. Okay. Now, it is a type of the strategy that the consumer very first they see the screen, okay, and now they will be seeing the brand. Now, this brand is exposed to the consumers. Whosoever coming to withdraw the money from the ATM, they will be exposed to the ad. So, this is also very creative method. Other could be the sidewalks. I have already discussed, like this brand is Starbucks. Okay, Starbucks will be using this kind of sidewalk posters, so that like consumers know that the Starbucks outlet is nearby 200 feet only. So, these are very creative, like it may be that some consumers might find it very interesting and share it to their other people as well. Okay. Other could be like movie theater as a place to promote your product. Okay, like it is a big screen. Okay, the possibility is high that during the interval you show the ad and some of the consumers will be there who will be exposed to this kind of ad. Okay. Other could be scaffolding. Okay, so these are the scaffolding which are used. It is generally used into some Western countries, and you see that these kind of spaces used to promote the product, since it is at very high place. Okay, so the visibility is also very high. Okay, so we have seen so many ads like this as well. Other could be the shopping cart. Okay, this is the shopping cart, and like it will be facing towards your side. Okay. Now, see that put me on your list, fill your cart and save 20% more just for you. So, it is, you will feel that it is something which is very customizable promotion for you, and it will be getting your attention. So, this can also a very impactful method. Other could be like parking meter advertising, okay, sky promotion. So, parking meter advertising, like you see that in some kind of society or locality, you will find that they are using this as no parking, but at the same time they are also promoting their product. Other could be the sky promotion, like this is the 3D promotion, 3-dimensional promotion, which are used at places where the crowd is high and they go through it and they find it very interesting. And last one is the sky promotion, which are used by the marketers, okay, at some kind of events and all, like you see during the any kind of sporting event like the IPL, many brand they endorses through the sky promotion. Okay. Other could be milk carton advertising, okay, 3-dimensional parking meter we have seen, coffee cups and sleeves we have seen, shopping bags. So, this is something not unique, but how you are using it creatively make it very unique method of the promotion. Okay. So, this was the type of the promotion, and further we will be discussing about what are the factors that the marketer should keep on mind while choosing the different mediums. Okay. Like which medium you should be choosing, it depends on certain factors. So, let us discuss about the types of different factors which governs the medium selection. Very first one is the target audience fit. If you are using for specific type of the customers, like for the Gen Zs, for the like office goers, okay, or for elderly, the medium will be dependent on it. Okay, like for example, if you are like your target audience are the office goers, for example, okay, working professionals. So, it could be like you are using those spaces where their footfalls are high. It could be the metro station, it could be like the local buses or the public transports, right. Some of the cabs like Ola and Uber. If you are promoting it for the students, it could be like the college canteen is one of the place where you can put up all your alternate media vehicles. It could be at other places like some of the food courtyard, okay, some of the amphitheaters. So, these kind of the selection based on the types of the target audience you have. Okay. Other factor is the exposure and reach. If you want your reach should be higher, based on that you have to select the medium. Okay. Creative flexibility, okay, like some of the ads, some of the mediums like the 3D 3D banners. Okay. So, there is always a chance of flexibility that you can customize the ads. Okay, you can change that. But take the example of the sidewalks. We have taken the example of the McDonald's in the sidewalks. Those things might not be so flexible as compared to the digital alternate media, okay, which can be more flexible. Size and placement impact, it means that you won't get too much of space. So, based on the space and the impact, you need to select the alternate placements of the ad. And coverage area, whether the coverage area is global coverage area you are targeting or regional coverage area you are targeting. So, these are some of the key factors that you should be considering before selecting the media. So, in this session we thoroughly discussed about the types of the media, and as a marketer what are the different platforms that you have to explore, what are the key factors that you need to consider before the any kind of the medium selection. Okay. So, this was all about this session. In the coming session we will be discussing about the how alternate media impacts the IMC process. That is all for this session. Thank you so much.